find me in a drunken state.
Ha! You don't see him again now. Now the problem that they get with you be this. You won't maybe say, they also say, oh, you too perfect, you too correct. Even Abraham for Bible says no perfect. Not because they make crayfish bend. See, the condition when you dey, now make you drink. So I don't say anything when they wrong with what you do. But you guys understand, say, when things like this happen, they make people they misbehave sometimes.
You don't understand. You don't understand at all. Look, I keep thinking about Dede. Seriously, and I don't know why you hate him even after death. What did he do to you? I told you he's innocent.
Shut up with that one, Kenny. Who? Dede. No go there. You see that one? That criminal. It no fit happen. Dede no, talk more of sense. So of them no join.
I don't understand, Zaram. What do you even have against my boyfriend? What do you have against Dede? What's your problem? I don't ask you severally, but you don't give me better answer.
And severally, you don't tell you when you ask me. I tell you, say, I don't give you answer. What do you want me to talk again?
You give me answer, but the answer when you give me, come like say the guy is a bad guy. I'm not the bad guy. What's your problem? Have you too often I get affair? Is there something you're not telling me? I don't understand.
They walk. Can they walk? Which kind of talk with that one? See, I go forgive because I know so you depressed. Now depressed, they make you they talk all this rubbish, you they talk so I go just leave you, make that one just go. But unless I no cost me like that on top my ass. No try. Which kind of be that one now? You know they open my, they weave, they go. See, I understand say maybe if they pay you say one thing happen. But more you leave and there. Leave everything don't happen for back. Make it day back. This one are present and we see they go future. So just concentrate for this one. May you leave all those stuff. Leave dead body, may you bury dead body.
Dede can never be dead to me. He can never be dead to me, I beg. What will be your problem?
Okay. So you don't dey dead man. Yes now, he can never be dead to you. He can never be dead to you. God dey marry the dead man now, since you no wan rest. Wetin be all this one? God don change our life. God don bless us. See as we dey drink. You see me drink before? You carry straight hair away. You know how much. You know how much doctor buy this hair. They just say your mind just dey sharp. AC dey blow you pack leg for this thing. They do. No, respect yourself. I'm like you talk sometimes.
You talk about moving on. You be talking about moving on. I know Dr. Jaja loves you so much, and he wants to get married to you. Do you want to marry Dr. Jaja?
They walk you. I go marry old man. Which kind of talk with that one? I can't marry 1 minute man. I mean, put respect for my body. Which kind of nonsense with that one?
Zaram, I don't just understand you. This man loves you so much. He sees everything you do. Is it because he is tolerating your stupid and rubbish character? What's your problem? Person love you, you don't go coordinate yourself. You don't misbehave.
Because say he love me, I must love him back.
You must love him back, of course.
Oh, so I don't
you want me to go back to poverty life?
So I don't
understand you.
So if I tell me say you the first person I want to do for poverty.
You think say the man a fool?
You think your eye is shy. You forgot I go tell you
think say the man a
try
fool?
yourself.
Person love you, you supposed to calm down, love her back. Marry him.
Kene, go outside. Plenty old men dey there. In fact, marry him. Why they call my name now? Respect yourself.
I warn you about something.
You know if you warn me.
I know if you warn you,
Kene, you know if you warn me.
Don't let us lose this opportunity.
Kene,
no let us lose this opportunity.
Now I want to put on mouth 1 minute to my body.
Okay.
Only you. And you one hello, Zara, only you. Away from the Zara, only you.
Sorry, who are you?
See, Jiro, you see us right now? Now me, Zara. Ha! You dey pretend say you don't know me. That same girl when you take advantage of because say she dey drunk. You don't remember me?
Oh.
Now you remember.
But I don't understand. What happened?
To my wawa face. That one a long story. It's just as I talk to you like this way. I just dey come from Yankee. Where I go do face surgery. You shock you, Abby?
I knew it. I said it. I said it. You're beautiful. You're so beautiful. I must say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for taking advantage of you, but that thing I said, I love you, I'm for real.
Anyway, Jiro, you know, so that time, I drink. But right now, my eye clear. I want you to take advantage of me. Oh, yeah, and thank you.
Really?
Hey, I know just won't believe say Kenefi talk all those things when she talk. I don't know why she don't just understand.
Babe. Babe. I understand this is hard for you. But the question I want to ask is, are you really going to leave me and marry that old man because he has money?
Hey! Which kind of rubbish talk you just talk? Nah. Who kind of water wash your mouth? Which kind of nonsense thing be all this one now? No, you don't curse me. I don't like when person curse me. Now the same thing when Kenneth talk, when make body they pepper me, it they vex me when person tell me all those nonsense. How I go marry old man now? See, for your informate, no just anything, no talk anything, no think anything. For your informate, I no be anybody's slave. Yes, I know they for sale. I no be crayfish when they hawk round markets. You dey hear me so? I no fit marry that man because of money. That old man because of money. God forbid bad thing. You see you too. I no even kukuma love you. The only reason why they carry me come here na because say that man a 1 minute man. So I know they come here, they use you to satisfy myself. You don't hear me so. Everybody respect himself. Oh.
What did you just say?
Now you dey speak English. Oh. I know sabi speak English. I don't talk as I fit talk am.
Zara, only you. And you be one day. Hello, Zara, only you. Away from the reggae, Baramo. Zara, only you. Away comes in the joggy, Baramo. Zara.
I know about your secret relationship, Zaram. Why are you hiding it?
Sure. Because you can't touch her, follow me, Waka. You don't mind your business. Which kind of flip that one now?
What you're doing to Dr. Jaja is not fair. It's not fair at all. He has done so much for us. What's your problem?
Aproko, mind your business. What's it concern you? What's it they pepper you for body? Make I ask you. Now because of me, you they talk am. I mean, because say your eye don't they do kukuru, you don't they chook enter in money.
Oh please.
Or now because say you don't they fall in love with him. Which one?
Zaram, don't be ridiculous. What's your problem?
Which one be redo?
Now listen to me. If it must have something to do with Ejiro, you have to stop deceiving the man. He has done so
No,
much
they
for us.
shout for me again.
The man deserves better.
Free me!
What's
Wetin happen? Why they shout for me now? I be small pikin. No, look me, I be small pikin. I be adult. Don't they shout for me? Respect yourself. Okay, that's how they respect you. That is respect yourself.
My friend, shut up and listen to me. I'm your sister.
I mean, they tell me shut up. You come on here.
I don't understand.
You go come on here. You know if you come here and they're gonna shout for me. You go your house, go to shout for your ass. This place is my house. Respect yourself.
It's okay. I'm sorry. It's just I want the best for you.
Come on. Look at that.
Is this gate man not being trained by a professional?
Oh, come on, cut him some slack. Let's compare the West with our country here, alright? Come on in.
Trained by a professional?
Oh, come on. Cut him a slack. Alright? I'll compare here to the West. Thank you.
Welcome, man.
Well, welcome, darling. What's your name?
Hey.
Yusuf,
Yes, sir.
get the bags from the car, okay? Get our bags in.
Alright, sir.
Good.
Daddy,
Yes.
are these your house girls?
Oh, Flourish, please don't say that about my beautiful angel.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Which kind of insult be that one now? No, they arrange everything the way it is there. You carry eyeglass, you know they take and sit the zero. Why you all have if you know so you look well? For where I mean you see well. No tell me can they calm down again. No, which kind of respect? Who should go and they respect and make you wait first, make her talk first. No, I don't like that kind. Why she go call us house girl? See, make I all tell you. Me and your papa will run things. Listen, chest time. You understand? That's all I be sometimes they happen. You understand? So your chest time. Don't talk to us anyhow again. Feel me so.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, sir. Please,
It's
don't
okay.
be offended.
It's okay. Flourish.
Daddy, what's going on here?
Listen.
I'm so evil. What's going on here?
Zara.
Okay.
Calm down.
Okay.
This here is my daughter, Flourish.
Oh, now you land, oh. Welcome, Flourish.
Oh, come on, girl. You're welcome back home.
Welcome, ma.
Face.
You fine, no.
Senior and now, they worry you.
Welcome, sis.
Oh,
You
come
fine.
on. Let's all go inside, okay?
Mo go inside. Oh, yeah, Flourish, come. They don't carry your bag. Come, no, they go inside.
Wait.
Go. Come,
Flourish, I see you enjoyed your meal.
Now that you've met Zaram and Kene, I would like you to know that Kene made the dish. Yes, she's quite the cook, and she does add a maternal touch to it.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Nice meeting you both.
Ubima. Waiting. I mean, I know verse, eh? I get where you dey go now, sit down.
This is more important. What's wrong with you? Eh? I'm going to disgrace yourself. So, what do you do? Okay, I'm a graduate. And my sisters are...
Wait first, make I introduce myself. Because I don't see say this one I did for. Now, true they like to the cost person. I want to cross my leg. Oh, she did do. I know be graduate. That's what she did do. I know be graduate. Yes, because I don't say you be those spoiled rich children. When be like say they go just do their eye like this. They look person, proud their shoulder. They look person, say less. Calm down. No. I don't like all those kind of spoiled rich kids when they say no get respect for their elder. You see this person is down for years, so this person went there, so now my elder sister. I don't like person talk to her anyhow. You understand? So you talk to, if you talk to her with respect. I know like the way you talk to you now. No, I know like the way you talk to you. Now let me get right to talk to you the way I like. No try yourself.
Zaram,
Don't tire.
calm down.
Don't mind now.
Flourish, I know you're very curious. So let me say this to you. I fell in love with Zaram here.
Don't hear him. I know beggar more.
Not because she's a graduate, okay? I fell in love with her because I saw in her a very smart young woman.
That's she. Very
Smart though.
Though she did not have the best of education like some of us.
I know beggar. You still calm down. Keep the talk. Okay.
But she's not illiterate. She only dropped out at some point. Okay?
Because of condition.
I love her. And I would love you to accept her. Please. You see, these two sisters are quite bonded as a family. They are not like us. Yes, you see, even when they go through thick and thin, they still find a way to settle it and stick together.
Yes, we are a very nice family. We
Yes.
enjoy us.
They have this family value that I almost envy. Okay, I really would want to learn a lot from them, and I suggest you do the same too. About family bonding, how to be family. Okay?
Died?
Yes.
It's been so long. wasn't expecting all this.
I know, Flourish, I understand that. You know, you and I have made our own mistakes. I know. But it's never too late to make amends. It's never too late to start off afresh.
Oh, Daddy, please, just stop. Stop it already.
Flourish. Anyway.
I beg, make una no vessel. They speak English, I get important.
Which calm down now. I beg, put your phone for silence. We dey meeting. What's wrong with you? You don't really like show yourself.
Ladies, this is the time when we move to the next topic.
Another one still dey.
What did they worry you?
You don't do the thing now.
Respect this man. Where they worry?
Ow! Yes, the next topic is how to make Zaram's birthday most memorable.
Hey, Donkey, you remember my birthday? I thought I was a better person be so.
And you are a special person.
Yes. You need to teach this pikin how to get respect though.
No, Doctor, you're a better person. No, but Doctor, you're a better person. You need to hear. No.
Hello, ladies. We are here.
Okay, thank you.
Flourish. Never mind. Everything will be fine.
Yes.
Dad,
Yes, baby.
can we talk?
Oh, sure. Why not? Let's talk here. We're family.
No.
She does say, why you?
I mean, you and I,
Here.
we need to talk.
Me, I know when person to call sister, be your senior sister, will give you back and forth. I need to take you. Shut up, you know they say they talk to these people so. But they you know where they come from now.
Now let me feel the teach respect. You don't teach them my respect. You need to teach them my respect. You know something. You don't need to what happen. I want to do again. You need to teach.
Flourish. I know that expression on your face.
Daddy, you claim to know it all. Yet, you still haven't found the one who murdered my mother.
Come on, Flourish. You need to drop that topic, Flourish. You do know I hurt too. Yes, I hurt deeply knowing that I will never see her again. Her absence causes me pains, sleepless nights also.
I blame you for causing her death.
Oh, come on. There you go again. For the past 10 years, Flourish. 10 years, and you have been accusing me of something I didn't do. You know, there were investigations and there were reports, especially the autopsy report, which showed clearly that your mother, my late wife, died of natural causes. Flourish, why do you still accuse me? Why?
Oh, really, Daddy? 10 years ago, I got tired of my mom consistently crying on my shoulders about your cheating habits. I got tired, Daddy. So I hired a private investigator. Oh yeah, I did. Take a good look at these pictures. Take a good look, Daddy. See that? This is you right here. And this is your side chick, Anita.
You know how much I loved your mother. I really loved her. She was once so gentle, so caring. She was my friend. But suddenly, she became a pain in the neck. Yes, she became so quarrelsome. I had to seek solace outside. I'm sorry.
Oh, the solace you sought outside killed my mom.
Oh, there you go again.
Yes, Daddy.
There you go with your wild accusations. Yes, Anita is my ex. But I know her. She wouldn't hurt a fly. I know Anita.
Really, Daddy? You are still defending her? You keep on defending the woman who killed my own mother? Daddy, it pains me so much. I am hurt. I am hurting inside.
You have to take it easy. Okay?
Okay,
Don't be paranoid about this. I don't
fine.
think Anita can do any of such things.
Oh, really?
She couldn't have.
Okay. Daddy, take a good look at this again. Take a good look at this. From my private investigator.
Oh, gosh. What? Anita?
Of course, Daddy.
Huh.
That's you and your side chick, the one who murdered my mom. And you keep defending her.
Oh, Flourish, I didn't know. Anita? No. What? Oh. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Maurice, I'm so happy to see you getting so well along with Kenneth. That's nice.
Daddy, Kenya here is a wonderful woman.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. I have learned so much from her for this short period of time. She really knows what it takes to keep a family together.
Thank you.
That is absolutely correct. That is why they are very special people. I meant to say something about Zaram's forthcoming birthday. I want us to make a plan that will make it most memorable. But I would like us to keep it as our little secret, for the time being anyway. You see, on her birthday, I intend to propose to Zaram.
Hey!
Listen,
Doc!
Listen, remember, I can't emphasize enough how much important it is for us to keep this as a little secret, okay?
Dr. Jaja, this is amazing. Zaram will be so surprised and, she'll be so excited. Thank you.
I know. You can imagine her thinking that we're just going to mark her birthday party only for us to hit her with her own engagement party, okay? But the element of surprise wouldn't sink in very well if we let the cat out of the bag so early. So remember, we must keep it a secret.
Wow, the people for this place get the way they do. I think I go do my hair. I can't reach just sit down, so I tired now. Make I come back.
Welcome.
Okay, right down now.
Wow.
Now the new ringtone be that one. Why you gonna do like that? What's happen? I don't do any bad thing. Why she call? What's they saw?
Why you
What I don't do again?
Now you're meeting.
On the contrary,
You didn't do anything wrong. On the contrary, we were actually discussing on how to make your forthcoming birthday more memorable.
Thank you.
Yes, my darling.
I know say you better person. Dokeo, are they hungry? You never still cook. Kene, what do you cook?
I don't understand.
Are they hungry now?
Who you keep as your asking? Eh?
You did ask now.
Come, behave yourself. Comport
They worry
yourself with the whole meeting.
Not the time for meeting for this. Dokeo, are they hungry? I beg you, don't chop.
I was actually waiting for you.
Oh yeah, don't come out chop.
No problem.
Oh yeah, more go chop.
It's okay. It's okay. Would you like to have a drink first?
No, food though.
Okay.
Dad,
Yes.
I do not like Sarah.
Flourish, don't tell me that after all these years, you still possess our family's negative traits of always witch hunting and suspecting those we actually should love and cherish. Huh?
Daddy, as your daughter, I suffered the negative effects of our family traits for so many years. Oh yes, I did. And to show you that I have learned the hard way, I will not and I will never allow you to get married to that girl. Do you know why? Because she talks and behaves like a street girl. She's a tout, just like your ex, Anita, who murdered my mom.
Flourish, please bring your voice down. You know we are not alone in this house. Okay. If it means anything to you, daughter, I blame myself. I still am heartbroken for the role I played in your mother's death. I'm sorry.
Daddy, for so many years, I blamed myself for not listening to my mother when she was complaining to me about your cheating habit. I just wish she was alive. You know what, Daddy? I will never allow you to make that same mistake again. Never.
Flourish. All these years you've been away, I've stayed back here, pained, lonely. I've been alone. You won't believe it, but there's been nights when I've gone to bed wishing never to wake up. Flourish, you're all that I have. I need more fulfillment to my life. I need a family. I need more children. I need a wife. After all these years, Flourish, I need your support. Please, help me. Let's rebuild this family together. Please, Flourish. Help your father.
Daddy,
Yes.
I don't agree you getting married to Zaram. But for the sake of peace, I will support you.
That's my daughter. Thank you very much.
But I still don't like her. Zaram, you just have to stop this age road madness. Oh. This isn't right at all. I don't just like that guy. I don't like him at all.
No, you're not supposed to like her. I mean like her. No help me for the likeness. Which kind of nonsense talk going on? Why can't you came me? What's happen? See, I no go fit leave youthful love for old man romance. The only reason why me there na to gather small money
When I go to sustain myself after I can't come up for this place. So respect yourself, don't disturb me. I get plans for future.
Zara, this isn't about money. You have to think about your future. Because Dr. Jaja, he loves you. Like he has this very strong feelings for you. He cares about you.
Now make me they gather the money when I want to sustain myself when I can't. I know the other side they talk. I beg, leave me. Leave me. Which kind of thing be this one now? Eh? Ejiro, the man when be like say, I love.
Which one be say you love Ejiro?
No, I love Ejiro.
I don't understand you. Me, you better behave yourself because this man they give us money. This man they take care of us. Behave yourself. Now me be your senior sister.
What's going on here? Why are you guys not dressed up to now? Don't you know our guest is waiting?
Huh? I mean they do better, they make them wait. They tell me they go.
Please, hurry up. We are waiting for you guys downstairs.
Okay, ma. When they worry you safe.
My
Basically,
dear,
they tell me you dress up. Today na your bed.
As wait
as
as
your
my
sister
madam.
will slap you.
If I
Behave
marry
yourself.
Papa, I go be stepmother. She supposed to respect.
I don't like the way. I will give you another
This
scar.
may be best. I go mad.
Why you they talk to her like that?
Try am.
Oh no,
Can you try am?
I'll give you scar.
You think I don't say you
You'll
dey
go another
cry?
surgery.
You think I
You'll
don't
go
dey
another
cry?
surgery.
You think I don't dey cry? They beg me.
I beg, come on.
Isn't she?
Okay, come here.
Wow. Bro, isn't she gorgeous? She is. What? Zara, come over here. Come and sit down. Come. Very beautiful.
Hello, sir.
Oh, come.
Aww. You fine where you You said they try smile. Today na still birthday, person birthday. You do like say na burial you come. They try losing up.
Bro, thank you so much for coming to join us celebrate Zaram's special day.
Yes, thank you.
It's her birthday today. Yes. And I have something quite memorable already planned out.
Another one. Yes, thank you.
Something I hope she will appreciate.
Anytime you give me, I will collect.
And something that I'm so happy you're here today to witness.
My friend, go on.
Thank you, Prof. It's okay. Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you, Dr. Jaja.
Zara, you're so beautiful. You make me so happy. Zara, you're a special woman. You bring out the youthfulness in me. Please let me give you that tender, loving care that you deserve. Let me take care of you for the rest of our lives. Let me love you. Zara, please, will you marry me? Please, say yes.
Which kind of abomination be this one now? How old man would they need? Oga, first of all, get up first. Oga, get up. Which kind of thing? No. You know what make I live long? You will still beg me on top. You see this kind of thing, they don't sit around and a bad person. I know say this thing now shock me. It shock me. Why you go do this kind of thing on my birthday now? You can't first shock me, reach my blood. The thing give me electric shock. See, I know say you don't do plenty good things for me. And I thank you well. You be better man, I know. But this one yours do just an old gen now. Which kind of play be that one now? Abba, I know say you help me. You meet me when be like say I get that ugly mark for my face. You can't carry me go jand. You can't go clean the mark, come out. I thank you for that one way. Me no be like say person they do any, I know they appreciate you. So now maybe they appreciate you. But this way your Jesus now know they follow me. It don't make sense now. Which kind of don't say me calm down, they pay me for body. How old man going enough for me tell me say you might the smell talk say live life together. Me and you know say if I marry this man now, I no go happy. And if I no happy, I want to make you happy. May you self check out now. You self when be friend, you know the reason things. You get something when don't make brain now. This kind of thing, no. This one it shocked me, reach my blood, and they pay me. You're not supposed to do me this kind of thing now. So when my birthday when I'm supposed to be happy, now you scatter the party for my face. Scatter the birthday for my face. Okay, you don't really try for me, but this way like say you just do swear. You know walk, you know follow. Ah, which kind? You go follow. Which kind talk with that one? No one has not they dress me for ritual. Which kind thing with this one?
Zara.
I'm sorry for the embarrassment. I didn't intend for this to happen. Kenny, you too? You want to leave? Kenny, please don't go. We both need you here, please.
Dr. Jaja, I have to go, please. I know Zaram has hurt you so much. I can't be part of this. Please, I feel so guilty and responsible about what's happening. I cannot stay.
Kenny, the past few days I've spent with you, I've learned a lot from you. Your presence in this house has brought my father a lot of happiness. Please, for his sake, stay. Please. I have discussed with my dad, and since your sister Zaram does not want to get married to my dad, I suggested that you are going to make a better wife for him. Please, Kene, I'm begging you. Stay.
I cannot. I don't want to hurt my sister Zaram. I hurt her when I inflicted a scar on her face, so I cannot withstand hurting her again.
Oh, come on, Kenny. You can't go on living in self-guilt for the rest of your life. No, you can't do that. Remember, God used me to take away that same scar. Therefore, you've repaid her in full. Okay? See, you and I know how deeply, how strongly I feel for Zaram, your sister. But that Zaram has chosen to move on with another man. That's a choice. There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing you and I, no one can do about it, really. But the least you can do, Kene, is to stay back. Please, stay back and make me happy. That's all I ask from you.
Kene, please. I'm a woman, and I know how mature you are. I can understand you want the best for your sister. Something I couldn't do for my dad. I left him all alone, depressed, and I went away. I thought I could even build a stable relationship for myself. But no, it failed. So I am begging you, stay, please. I know you have feelings for my dad. Yeah, I can see that from the way you look at him. Can I?
No, I cannot. I can't. This would cause a very big problem between my sister and I. So I cannot. I don't want to hurt my sister anymore. I need to move. I need to go. I cannot hurt my sister.
Kenny, you can think about it.
Really, you cannot.
You know, we can talk about it. Daddy, don't worry. I'll talk to her. Alright? Don't worry. I can do this. I'll fix this.
Zara, Only you. I love you, never one never. Zaramo, Zaramo. Only you, one never.
Zaram, please, you have to stop this. You are hurting Dr. Jaja. We miss you so much. Please come back. Come back, please. Or at least pick up my calls or return it, please.
No.
Baby.
No.
Baby, don't be scared.
No.
It's me.
No, today.
It's me. Baby.
No, this is...
Baby, it is me, flesh and blood.
No, this is not you.
Don't be scared, please. It's me.
No, don't come.
Just feel me. You can feel me. It's me. It's me.
Didi.
It's me. It's me.
Didi.
It's me, Dede. It's me. I'm sorry for everything you must have gone through. Okay? It's me. I'm back.
Is this really you?
Yes, flesh and blood. Okay? I will explain everything later. Okay? I will tell you everything that happened. It's me. I'm back.
Didi, I mourned you. I cried. I thought you were gone forever. I saw the pictures. The pictures. I don't.
I understand. Baby, I understand. Okay? I will tell you everything. I will explain everything to you later. Okay? I'm deeply sorry about everything. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm back.
This
I'm
is
going
you.
everywhere.
You're here, right?
It is me. It is me. You see...
It's you. It's you, Didi.
Yes. Yes. I'm not dead. I'm alive. You know, the pictures that was sent to you is all a setup.
What?
Yes, by my boss, Ajibade. He forced me into drugs. He wanted me to join drug dealing. I refused. Then he tried to kill me.
Didi, I went through a lot. The pains, the trauma, everything. Didi, I missed you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've done, Zari. Please, I'm sorry. I miss you. I miss everything about you. Please.
I understand, baby. I'm sorry.
Come here. Come here. Sorry. Yes, I know. You're bad. I miss you so much.
Are you not the one I'm talking to? What is wrong with you? Why do you keep acting as if you're better than everyone else? Zaram!
Why you gonna shout, Mr. Perfect? Why you raise your voice? What's happen? Eh? You be broke man, you still get pride. You suppose they humble. People ain't broke, they humble. You suppose they humble. After me, they take your food, you go they humble yourself. Don't talk to me anyhow. Which kind of nonsense is that one now? No, respect yourself. What do you want to do, sir?
Listen to me, Zaram. Don't push me. You don't want to meet my demons. Don't even try it.
You be a robot demon.
When do you go do people ain't get demon? What you feel do? You won't beat me? You won't beat me?
I don't push you. What you feel do?
I'm warning you.
Hey, what you dey want?
I'm warning
You won't beat me. You won't beat me, Edro.
Zaram, you need to ask questions about me.
Who be you?
Don't even try it.
Who be you, man? I don't get for the bank. And who be you? You broke. You don't get money. You still dey form fine boy. You dey form big boy. Nothing but try to manage you. Say do this to myself.
What's wrong?
Ejiro, I know you didn't like that. What did worry you? You didn't mad? You didn't crazy?
Oh, babe. I used to stare at our initials you carved. You know, it made me feel like you were still alive.
You know, love symbols have a way of bringing back couples together. You know, that's connection. I mean, it is.
Look, I'm so happy that we're together again.
I'm so happy too. Yeah, that reminds me. I think I need to carve it back.
No,
Yeah?
no. Hold on. Not yet. I'm not sure you're really back. When I am sure, we'll carve it again.
So how else do you want to be sure I am back? I am back. This is me. Or you want me to give you some
Something else, please.
You still want some, I know you. Not a girl.
Stop it.
So, it's okay. Tell me about Zaram and the old man.
Obin, please. I don't want anything that will ruin this moment right now. I don't want to talk about it.
I mean, just, light conversation. But I think she shouldn't marry that man because he helped her. Nah, I mean, it's not a yardstick now. You can't just go into marriage because someone helped you. There must be love, some connection, some things. You're not going to know they have.
Well, look, I don't blame her. We've suffered so much because we're from a background that lacked the platform that is supposed to give us the future we deserve. You were almost killed because of lack of the same platform. I actually thought that Zaram was going to marry Dr. Jaja, so we can have the chance to change our family story for better. But right now, I really don't know. Gosh, I don't know.
Well, baby, the thing is, it is her decision to make, not ours to decide. And Zaram knows what is best for her more than you do or I do. Okay, and to maintain this peace, in the family, you just need to allow her, do her thing. Do you get? So it's all good.
Obin, this is exactly what I missed about you. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you. Promise me you will never leave me again.
I promise.
Are you sure?
Sure. Oh, baby. Honestly.
I don't know. Maybe you just have to.
Let me check.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of innermost beauty.
Good day, sir. I haven't heard from Zaram. She won't take my calls.
Oh, that's okay, Skene. We are not here to see Zaram. We're actually here to speak to you.
Skene, after my mother's death, I became depressed. I even hated my own family. I was scared of getting married. And just look at me. I am 40 and I've hit menopause. Ekene, please. I and my dad have agreed that we need more children in our family. That's why we came to beg you. Ekene, we understand that family backgrounds can actually influence one's destiny. But we choose you Because you are a rare value. You are a virtuous woman. Kene, please, woman to woman, I have come to beg you. Please, Kene. Please, marry my father. Please, I'm begging you.
Listen. Can I talk? Listen, I am no longer on that lane with you. I am done. Okay? I am done. You're very selfish and wicked. Because I am no longer there with you. What nonsense? No. Just shut up. Don't use that against me. Don't use that against me. Because what kind of rubbish is that? Intimidation everywhere. Is that how a virtuous woman should behave? Please, I'm done. Listen, let me talk. I'm talking. I'm saying my own. I'm done. Stop calling me. Don't put me into trouble. Biko. Don't cause problems for me. Rubbish. What kind of nonsense is this? You want to use me anyhow you want. Treat me anyhow you want. Very selfish human being. Lack manners. No home training. Rubbish. Can you stay in William White? Let me even put my phone on silent before this stupid girl will stain my white. Rubbish.
Dr. Jaja, I understand you very well. And at this point, maybe I could have considered it. But my boyfriend, Dede, is back.
What? But Zaram told me Dede's been murdered.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty, but it comes because of inner most beauty of us. Yeah. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo. I love your jumbo, baby, more and more. Baby, more and more. I love your jumbo.
Okay. I know so you go to feel say I betray you right now. I not betray you, I know you do all those kinds of things, I not be snitch. See me so for cartel the whole and down. And I want to make me no marry you be that because I be good person. No listen to what any person don't tell you about me. I be very better person. See. See, make I tell you. If I marry you now, I go to cheat on you. You understand? And if I can't begin cheat on you now, people go they blame me. Say, Azara, you know, I don't want to give my sister a problem. I don't want people to call my name every time. My sister go they cry every time. No, you understand? What I need for this my life now, a very youthful blood. Nothing at all they make me go. Why is that people know they like truth for this life? Anyway, see Ejigo, the man and a woman.
Hello.
Hi, brother. No.
Now the man when I want marry be this so. Ejigo.
Hello.
See my sister.
In-law.
Hey! They one. I don't believe say you die you. Hey, Jiro.
Oh.
You see this guy? Nah, crook. Oh, bone get crook.
I don't want you to tell me about that.
Yes. Dede, I tell you, I don't ever believe saying anything. You see this guy? He get 9 life. Hey, you be real crook. Now just my sister and I know they understand it. You know, just sabi put 1 and 2 together. Say this guy only play one kind for 19. What if he kill this guy? Serious crook. You know, say even when they do, I want to come. I think they will be criminal. You see this one? Yeah, I did back.
Salam, you don't do. I beg, you don't do.
Oh, yeah, no vex now, no vex. I know a child soccer, but you know what they soft like this, so Daddy. No say you na my guy. If you dare for once, Daddy, now you are they talk to. If you for once try this, my sister say you make her cry. I go just. Can you want am? Can you want am?
Zaram, please, I beg.
I don't come back like this to make your rest.
I beg, you don't do. You don't do, I beg.
I mean, I begin to pay when you want some.
Zaram, I am so tired of your behavior. I've had it up to here. You're so disrespectful. You're so full of shit. You're so arrogant.
You're not a shout for me. I don't be your picking. No carry all your frustration for life being put for my body. Anybody may just get problem. Go carry say na Zaram. Zaram, I need to do everything. Everybody in this life na Zaram. You know, leave me rest. We should be all this one now.
Zaram, what I'm saying is simple. Change your character. You have bad character.
So you might get good character.
Dr. Jaja must have tolerated so much from you, but me, I swear to God, I'm going to so beat you. I'm going to so design your face.
No, they mention that man name again. Dr. Jaja this, Dr. Jaja. No try and don't care better. But why they jealous now? Because he be better man. No, they try and no they jealous. No call his name again. You don't reach to call his name. Go back first. What you
don't try me. I told you I have demons. You don't want to experience my demons. Don't try me.
Hey Jiro, if you try me, I swear to God, then if I don't boil your generation well, if you try me, I will show you out the street and they fear you. So you worry this one. Then they walk you.
Zaram, don't try me.
See you first when some people say no try.
You're mad.
You did cry.
You're telling me. Shut up. Shut up. You're trying me. You're mad. You're mad.
Idiot.
You're mad.
Stupid man.
Hey, Lindy, wait. Can I talk? Can I at least talk? Always you like talking. You don't even allow someone to express his own feeling. Listen. I have suffered a lot because of you. Yes. I even had to fake my own death because of you, Lindy. Way. And what did I get in return? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. If you put to bed, I will come and confirm. I have to run a paternity test though. I have to run a paternity test to make sure it's my child. And if it's my child, no problem. We'll know how to go about it. Lindy, you cannot do anything. You can't. Yes, you can't. Listen, as
You are so pathetic, Dede. You abandoned me when I needed you most. Gosh, what's that? You have the guts to fake your own death. God, what have I done to deserve this? What is it? What is it, Dede?
will you stop shouting? It was a nagging and controlling attitude that caused it all.
No, you don't. You don't have to blame me. The fact remains that you have low self-esteem, Dede. Dede, you are wicked and heartless. To think of all the stories with Mr. Jibade, sending pictures of you supposedly dead. Zaram warned me about you, but I was stupid.
Listen, we can build a family together.
No, don't. Dede, if you don't leave this house, I will kill you. And this time, your death will be fit.
The guy she introduced as her husband to be, what's his name? Ejiro. That's the guy inside the...
Stay away from me. Dede, can you just get out from here? Get away from this place. What was not that? What did you see?
Sarah, allow me help her now.
Let's stop from here. Leave me alone. Just leave me and get out from here, please. Dede, leave me.
Allow me to help out now.
Sarah, what are we going to do now? What are we going to do now? I don't have money. I don't have any money.
Let's get to the hospital.
Okay, wait. What are you doing? Look at what you've gotten yourself into. God. Now you're having internal bleeding. And we don't even have the money to take you to the hospital. Because of what we did to Dr. Jaja. He has decided not to help us. I don't like this. Well, I don't even blame him. I've been calling him. He doesn't want to take my calls. Just tired.
Kenny, you too dey worry yourself. Relax. I won't beg you for something. I want me you forgive Dede.
I don't understand. You have a very critical condition here and you're more concerned about Dede. What's wrong with you? I told you what Dede did to me. And you're talking about him? I beg, no, just make me vex, I beg you. No call that name for you.
The only mistake he make. But he truly love you.
He no love me. I want a very big lie. Person when get picking with another woman. He has a child with another woman. How would you say he loves me? For what?
Kenny. He know they beat you. The way Jiro beats me. You know catch him for hotel with another woman. In fact, with your best friend. Like what you know sounds to me.
Doctor.
Kenneth. Kenneth, I know you asked me not to intervene, okay? But I know you need his help. Okay? Just calm down. Go.
Doctor.
You know well enough to say anything now. We need to get her to an hospital.
Yes.
Don't worry. When you're well and fit, you say everything you need to say. Okay?
Please help me take her in the car.
Okay, then let's get her into the car. Let's save lives first.
This love does not come because of our background. This love does not come because of our beauty. But it comes because of innermost beauty of us. Yeah.
Notice him.
Yes.
Good day, you're welcome. Please sit down.
I thank you for everything when you do for me. You know, abandon me when everything be like say it don't end for me. You still stay by me. You be better person and you get better mind. God will continue to dey bless you. Everything when I do you, I dey very sorry. And na because of say, I feel say Flourish no like me. Na him make me do wetin I do. You no get who they go put sugar for him mouth, him go say na bitter leaf him want. Abeg, no vex. Forgive me. I know say you get good mind. Abeg.
It's okay, please sit down.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Come on, sit by me.
Welcome.
Yes, ladies. I asked him over the moment you called to say you were coming. Well, first, I want to say that forgiveness is the very fabric of family, while love paints its colors. You see, it is only by love and forgiveness and patience can we be called beautiful people. Love and familyhood is everything. That much at least I have learned. Kele, we can't be said to be beautiful people if we do not learn to love, to forgive, to be patient with those we care about. And that is why I want us to be here today for this earnest discussion. Kene, I must say that I have spent some time with Dede here. I have interacted with him and I have found him to be a good man. Of course, you are a very great young woman, okay? And based on that, it's only proper, since he has confessed and professed love for you, it's only proper that you both come together, forgive, and come back together. I am sure you will make a perfect couple if you do. Live life blissfully. That is what it should be. I know that the economic quagmire in the entire nation is affecting everybody. Because of that, because I see he's a good man. And for that, I have decided to sponsor you both. Yes. I'll change your lives, make it more meaningful, so long as Dede here will promise to make Kene very happy for the rest of our life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. It's okay to sit up. Come on, come on. Come on.
Thank you.
Just promise me that you will take care of her, because Kene is an epitome of familyhood. She has taught me a lot of things. My daughter also, she loves family.
This virtuous
Exactly.
woman.
She is a virtuous woman. You just have to assure me that you will keep her happy.
I will, in my honor.
That's okay.
Make her happy.
That's okay.
Yes.
That's when Dr. Deja just talk now. I agree with her. Please, we don't be quarrel, we won't make any money.
And Zaram, you did make mention of wanting to get back on your education. I don't know. I don't know if you're still interested.
I get plenty interest. When they go push sugar for a mouth, you know, so I leave you. Well, I get interest.
Okay. I will sponsor you then. To any height you want.
Hey,
You talk as if you be better man. Who they go put sugar for your mouth because you have to leave you once. Tired. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I know say you don't want me again. But thank you. Look at this one again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dog. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, the truth is, you did make mention of Flourish. My daughter initially didn't like you. Yes, she was that straightforward with it. But at the end, just before she traveled back overseas, she solicited on your behalf. She asked me to do this, so you'll equally have a better life. So,
God bless him.
So, my baby, I promise to love you forever. I promise to take good care of you. I promise to always stand by your side no matter what life throws at us. We will always stand together to conquer.
Of course, I promise to stand by you. And I know our love will continue to grow till the end of time. Ew. This ring is giving. It just fits in my body. Look at it. It's fine, diamond. Oh, I love you, darling. Baby.
Yes, darling.
I think we should go inside and carve our initials. Don't you think so?
Oh yes, right away.
Yes, this is the right time.
Aww, I got love. Love won't win both of now.
Zara, you're ready for school already?
Yes. I'm actually ready to go. And I'll miss you both.
We're going to miss you more. Honestly. Well, you have to do what you have to do.
Yeah.
So, Zara, thank you so much. Thank you so much. For forgiving me. I really appreciate it.
No, it's fine. It's okay. Okay? You know what? Please take care of my nephew.
How did you know we're going to give birth to a boy?
No, I read it somewhere that, if you're positive enough, everything will just work out fine. So.
I believe. Alright, Zara. I just wish Dr. Jaja would forgive you and get married to you. It's been 5 months since I recovered. Called him severally and he has refused to take or return my calls. But it's okay. I just want to focus on my studies for now. Who even needs a man right now? It's fine. You have to start going to school before you. Yes, I have to. And please always communicate to us. Please.
I will communicate with you guys. Don't worry.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, coming. Oh.
Mr. Jaja.
Doc, good day.
Good evening. Kenny? Dodi.
You're welcome, Doc.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
How are you, Zaram?
Very well, thank you.
Well, Zaram, I have not come here to say that I've forgotten all you did to me, because I won't. I'm also not here to say that I want to take you back. I'm here because Flourish, my daughter, made me make a promise to her before she traveled back overseas. She made me do what I'm about to do right now. Caesaram, I would love you to agree to a contract marriage with me. Yes. You're actually a good woman. You are. And I would love you to bear me a child or two. I am willing to make you an offer. Whatever amount you want, I'm willing to pay if you would agree.
Anyway, I cannot talk about that right now. I really have to go to school. Have a nice day.
Why don't I drop you off at school?
No, don't worry, I'll be fine. I can take care of myself. Thank you.
Wait, Dr. Jaja, please. We welcome the idea. I think you should consider marrying her. You know you loved her passionately when she was a bad girl, and now she's changed. I think you should consider that, Dr. Jaja, please.
Doc, you leave it for me. Eh?
Yes.
I'll talk to her. I'll talk sense into her. And I can imagine.
Can you imagine?
I'm in love. I'm in love. Correct, sunshine. Now you go be. You be waiting, I praise you. I love waiting, I see. I am ready to do anything to keep on going. I'm in love. Correct, sunshine. I'm in love. Now you go be. You be waiting, I praise you. I won't keep them all for myself. I am deeply in love because I'm in love. Love, correct, sunshine. Now you go be. You be waiting, I praise you. No matter what they say or think about you, oh my little, you're my spec and I love you. Keep up, money legal, measure, money so money legal, hope you tell you, Mamu, oh my little, you're my love.